Hey guys, I'm Derek Searcy and welcome back to the Bob Hurley RV Outdoor Adventure Series. And today Billy's going to teach me about trailer brake controllers. So Billy, first off, what's a trailer brake controller and why do we need one?
Well, Derek, trailer brake controller, what the purpose of them is, we're dragging a lot of weight behind our trucks when we're towing these campers. We need a way to be able to shut that weight down. Without a brake controller, you're dependent on the truck, and there's not enough truck brake to be able to shut that unit down. So safely and effectively, we add a brake controller, and that allows us to get the trailer shut down.
Awesome. So I see that we've got three different styles of trailer brake controller here. This is the one that I'm probably most familiar with. So tell us what we got here.
Yeah, so here we have the Primus, really good brake controller, digital readout. Yes, this one's one that you will always see mounted up to the bottom of the dash. That's your more common brake controllers. Been around for a lot of years. They work, they do their purpose.
Now, the problem that I've always had with these is, it seems like when I'm driving, this thing's hitting me in the knee the whole time, and it just kind of gets in the way a little bit. So what's the next one that we've got?
They do. So from there, we also have the Husky Ascent. This is all you see. This is your emergency override, and then here is your readout, so you know where you're at. The box is mounted up under the dash, so all you get is these mounted in some convenience place on your dash where you can access everything. So you get that big box out from underneath the dash.
That's awesome. That's the one that you run, right?
That's the one that I actually have in my truck. I really like it. It's a good brake controller. A lot of benefits to it that I like as well. You know, when you get shut down, it'll back the trailer brakes off, so you're not sitting there burning your magnets up inside of it.
Right. Now, this third one right here, I've never seen this before. So what is this thing? Tell me a little bit about it.
Eric, that one's been out around a year or so ago. It's a Bluetooth. You actually just plug it into the back of your truck. You plug your trailer into it. You download an app on your phone, and you control your brakes from there. Once you get it set, you actually don't have to have the app on. You just plug this in and let it go. It will learn your truck and your trailer, and which makes it convenient for multiple trucks and trailers. It learns each one and will set itself for each individual truck and trailer. So
that sounds like something like if I was going to use one that takes all the guesswork out. That's the one that I need.
Almost foolproof, yes. Almost foolproof.
Awesome, man. Well, thanks for educating me on trailer brake controllers. I hope you guys found this interesting and informative. We're going to bring out more info like this, but if you found this informative, please like, share, and comment, and we'll see you next time.